Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maitri Desai and I am back with another video. So as you can see, I am at a different location today, and today's video is also going to be a lot different from what I've made before. So it's called How I Avoid Negativity in My Life. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Enjoy the video. So in the first video that I did, that was a Q&A Know Me Better video, I received a lot of questions asking how I avoid negativity in my life. So I thought, why not make a separate video regarding this particular concept. And I am no motivational speaker, I am no one to change your mind, I am not here to change anybody's ideologies or the way they think, but I'm just here to reach out to as many people as I can, and I feel that if I am able to help even a single soul out there with my videos or with my words or with anything, then I'd be really happy and I'd be contented. So that's all I intend to do. So here goes. These are a few ways that I try to avoid negativity in my life. Again, it might be different for anyone else, and it might happen that you might relate to what I say. So yeah, you can decide for yourself. The first one is, I think ignorance is bliss. You just gotta avoid the negativity that you receive, and it's not always possible. I know that you cannot avoid negativity, but in terms of people, you can always avoid negativity from people. You can ignore such people or you can stay away from them. And I am reading a book called Good Vibes Good Life by Vex King, and it's a really good book. I am already in love with the book, and he has very beautifully quoted that, surround yourself with people who are vibing higher than you, who are better than you, because energy is contagious. And I was so in love with this quote because it's so necessary for you to know that what kind of people you want to surround yourself with. You always need people who would lift you up and are always people who are positive. You don't need drama, you don't need that kind of negativity in your life. So you can just avoid such people, and you just gotta know sometimes that you are way higher than all the negative people or all the negativity that is in your life. And so sometimes you just have to ignore that, saying that my standards are higher now, that person doesn't deserve me, or that kind of negativity I don't want in my life. Or so that's ignorance is bliss. That for me works really well. The next one is speak when necessary. So when I say that ignorance is bliss, it is bliss, but till a certain level. After that, if it starts affecting your mental peace, that's when you have to know that you have to speak up and you have to take a stand for yourself, and you have to try out ways for avoiding the negativity in your life. And I'm not contradicting my words by once saying that ignorance is bliss and then saying that speak when necessary. But all I'm trying to say is that not everything and everyone deserves your attention. So you have to speak, but when you feel that this is going out of hand, this is not how it's supposed to be, then you have to speak, and that's when you have to start taking steps for yourself, and that is necessary. It is not at all selfish. Standing up for oneself is always necessary. So this is one of the most important ways of avoiding negativity, or at least stopping the negativity from disturbing your mental peace, by speaking up when it comes to people, and when it comes to things. You have to see if the things that are disturbing your mental peace are really worth it. Are they going to make a change in your life, or are they going to matter after 5 years or 10 years down the lane? If they're not going to matter, then there's no point in thinking about it, unnecessarily overthinking. So I am myself a big time overthinker. So I know that it's all easier said than done, but you can always try. The last one I have is acceptance. So sometimes you gotta accept things the way they are. Like for example, when I make these videos, I know for sure that there are going to be certain people who will like my videos, and there are going to be a bunch of people who won't like my videos. So I would have to accept the fact that not everyone is going to like it, and there are going to be a few people who will make fun of me, or who will hate me for no reason, absolutely no reason, even when they are not even connected to me. But I have to somewhere accept it, that I am already way higher than them, because I don't do hate, I don't spread hate, and that makes me different from them. So I don't have to sit and keep thinking about that people who don't like my videos or who make fun of my videos, because that's attracting negativity in my life. And it's said, the law of attraction, in the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. So she says that what you give out in the universe is eventually what you receive. So I don't want negativity to come in my life. So I would rather invest my time in something productive, in something that will bring about some positive changes in my life, rather than sitting and thinking about people who actually don't deserve my attention. And when they make fun of me, or when they hate me, it's it shows how they are, or whatever they are. So when it comes to people, you just have to accept it, because and you just have to love yourself. Self love is going to be the first thing that will help you walk towards positivity, because when you start loving yourself, everything else is very small. Just every negativity that comes in front of you would seem very small. And trust me when I say this, I have experienced it, and so I can say it this confidently. So you just gotta start loving yourself for who you are, how you are, no matter what you are going through right now. But you just have to know that things will eventually fall in place. Accept it. That's how I avoid negativity in my life, with just these 3 basic steps: that ignorance is bliss, and speak when necessary, surround yourself with people who are vibing higher than you, who are positive, who have positive energy, and acceptance. just very few and very basic tips. And as I said earlier, I'm no motivational speaker, so I won't have any huge tips and tricks to avoid negativity, but these are just some of the basic tricks that I use in my everyday life to avoid negative people most of the time, because that's where the negativity comes from. And when it comes from situations, you have to bifurcate them into how important they are to you, or do they really deserve that much attention of yours. Because when you give attention to things that are hurtful and disturbing your peace, that's when you start attracting negativity. So you have to stop doing that first. Don't give your valuable time to everything. You are important, you are valued, you are loved. So just know these ways and see if they help you. I know some of y'all might have found this video boring, and some of y'all might not have found this boring. I don't know. I would love to know that in the comments. If you like this video, if it was helpful to you, if you related to what I said. So yeah, I just wanted to connect to you guys out there, and if you have questions for me, I would always love to answer them. So yeah, this was today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also press the bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time I come up with something even more exciting. Till then, stay positive. Bye, Phoenixes.